Take immersion blending to the next level with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand blender. With professional performance and cordless convenience, the cordless hand blender does it all, from blending smoothies, pureeing soups, and making sauces. Powered by a rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery that won't lose its charge over time, LED display controls, and a 3-foot removable USB cable port for easy charging, the hand blender will reach a full charge in only 2 hours and will run continuously for 20 minutes. The stainless steel shaft is long enough to reach into pots and bowls to do all your prepping or blending in one place. Use the chef's whisk attachment to create homemade whipped cream in seconds. The 3-cup beaker is marked in liters and cups for convenient measuring. Ergonomically designed for easy gripping and drip-free pouring, the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand blender will be your go-to in the kitchen. Enjoy the prep and cooking with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand blender.
Impress your guests with exclusive preparations. It's so easy with the Braun Multiquick 5 Special Aperitif. Equipped with a 16cm shaft, it helps you prepare all sorts of foods. First of all, take the motor unit. Attach it to the shaft. Insert it in the measuring jug. Then blend using the speed that suits you best. Low speed to keep the consistency of your ingredients. High speed to blend smoothly. The bell shape offers high-performance blending in all situations, as it prevents suction effects and splashes. Your preparation is ready in just a few seconds. Its direct drive motor offers you perfect power and helps you prepare all the recipes that you could wish for. Make your guacamole in no time at all with the 1-litre chopper bowl. Insert the blade in the container, then your ingredients. Fix the lid on top and clip on the motor unit. It only takes 15 seconds to get that perfect result. You can also make crushed ice-based cocktails with the special ice blade. Once the ice cubes have been put in the jug, it only takes 5 seconds for your drinks to become ice cold the way you love them. Use this 1-litre jug and impress all your guests with your expertise. Making verrines like a salmon and dill-flavoured chantilly cream one is child's play with the Braun Multiquick 5. The 350ml chopper bowl is perfect for chopping your salmon. To do this, insert the blade in the bottom of the bowl. And your salmon. Fix the lid on top of the bowl, then clip on the motor unit. Your salmon is perfectly chopped in less than 5 seconds. You can also use the chopper bowl for other recipes. Nothing stands in its way. Make the perfect dill-flavoured chantilly with the Multiquick 5 whisk. Once it's been clipped onto the motor unit, it only takes a few seconds to make your cream light and to add that extra smoothness to your verrines. Ever so practical, it helps you make all your emulsions instantly. Delight your guests without having to make an effort with the Braun Multiquick 5 Special Aperitif.
The KitchenAid ProLine Series 5-speed cordless hand blender with rechargeable lithium-ion battery truly separates the good from the great in both performance and design. Elegant and stylish, yet built for power, the cordless hand blender delivers optimal runtime and durability. And the long-lasting rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides consistent power to the end of battery life. 5 interchangeable stainless steel attachments and 2 blending arms enable you to effortlessly blend, puree, chop, froth, whisk and emulsify, even crush ice. Revolutionary thinking, luxury, and premium performance for your kitchen. The KitchenAid ProLine Series.
Introducing the Breville All-in-One, a kitchen all-star that lets you chop, blend, slice and whisk to perfection. The handle has a trigger switch so your hand sits in a more natural position for more stability. Press the trigger and choose any of the 15 speeds for precise blending and processing. To use the BPA-free mini food processor, place the gearbox into the processor lid. Then attach the motor by clicking it into place and choose one of the attachments. To use the S-blade, place the spindle through it from underneath and place the ingredients inside. The All-in-One makes quick work of this beef. The adjustable slicing disc has 19 settings to slice from 0.5mm to 6mm. Slice perfect cucumbers for a salad or thicker cuts for salami. The All-in-One has a reversible shredder that does fine shredding on one side and coarse shredding on the other. Just push the blade down firmly onto the spindle and place the lid on. Use the coarse side for grating carrots and the fine side for grating parmesan. The immersion blender has an 8-inch stainless steel anti-suction base that allows you to blend directly into tall pots. The mash leg lets you effortlessly mash food. Choose between rustic, smooth or a creamy consistency. Use a high speed and mash your potatoes to your favourite consistency. You can even make creamy guacamole or a baby food dessert. Use the whisk attachment to effortlessly incorporate air into mixtures for egg whites and cream. When cleaning, don't wet the gearboxes or motor body. Everything else can be hand washed or put in the top shelf of the dishwasher. To store, put the adjustable slicing disc under the food processing bowl and make sure it's in the storage position. Then place the S-blade and spindle in the processing bowl and put the reversible shredder on the spindle. Now, lock the lid on. Place the masher, motor body and blender on their holders and the whisk goes on top. It really is the kitchen all-in-one. Brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.